Hey guys, what's up? It's the Dorman Gang again. And right now we're at the beach and the waves are crazy. We're looking for grunion right now. But we've had no luck. But the waves are so crazy. Look at that. Like, look at that. The waves are crazy. And then watch how high it comes. And then we're gonna approach, and then if you look over there, you can see that the waves are like crashing so hard. And then look how high it comes. It comes so high. Look, and then if you go over here, the waves are so big. Like, we've had waves that went past our slippers, and our slippers were on the pure sand, and then watch. And then look over there, you can see that the tide is,
Hey, hello.
Okay, look at, like, the tide is so high. Okay, so if we walk even remotely close, the wave gets us. And then, like, look over there, it's so freakishly big. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna have to call this, like, survive the night because it's so scary. Like, look at that. But yeah, we're here for grunion, but I don't think we're gonna find any, but if we do, we're gonna be super lucky because I think we can. I had hope for this one time we came, and yeah, I think we're gonna find some by like 10:30ish, maybe. And then see, like, the waves come so high. You can't see it right now, but the waves are coming almost to our feet. And then if we walk closer, like, look how like, there's my foot, and then look how close it comes to my foot. See, like, see, it's going all the way to our feet.
Daddy, come on.
I thought she was about to die.
Daddy!
What?
So, yeah, the waves are huge. And, like, there's my foot. You can see that that's my foot. And then you can see that the waves are right there. Oh my god, this is crazy. Like, look, foot, wave. Wave is coming for the foot. See? See? Oh no! It got on me. Oh my gosh, this wave is so big. No way, there's no way. Oh my god, it's coming. Yeah, it's gonna. See? Foot, water! This should not be happening! And I'm on the sand too! Foot, water! They should not be together! Oh my god! I'm freaking dead. Like, foot, wave! Not okay!
Come on. Hey,
Like, look, foot, wave! Not okay!
But you're in water.
Well,
No! Grace, no!
like, this is not okay. The waves are too big. This is not okay.
Grace!
Like, what? Foot,
Ja-
water!
Grace, just go back and don't let the water around.
Too bad. Look, over there you can see the waves crashing. He gave me his phone, Luke.
Yeah, when you make a
Look,
mess,
foot,
destroy the phone.
water! No, this is not okay. I'm all the way up on the sand. This is not okay. Foot, water! Foot, water! And then, yeah, like, this is crazy. I will. Oh my god. Okay, you guys can't see, but it's literally touching our feet. It's
No, it's not.
See, it's touching our feet.
No, you just moved your phone. Look, move your foot. Out.
Okay, go, Lukey. You got this. Oh my God, this is not okay. Foot water.
Okay.
No,
This is how we.
they should not be meeting together. This was not supposed to be this hard. We're trying to fight grunion. This is not working. Look. Fight water. Why? This is not okay. The waves are too big. Foot water. It's not okay.
Come on.
My foot should not even be near the water if I'm on the sand. But no, the water is past my feet. See, it's coming from my feet. See, foot water.
Give me the ball.
This is not okay. No, you're gonna drop it.
Grace, give me it. Grace,
Oh my God.
can you just give me it?
Foot water.
Hey,
Not okay.
you're mean.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy. Like
You
the
won't
big
let me use anything.
water. Foot should not be touching the water.
Grace, give me.
Fine, but don't drop it or else you're in trouble.
Daddy,
What?
get it. Watch it.
What am I doing?
Stop, it's not even over. It's still recording.
Still recording?
See,
turn it
foot
off,
water, and I'm all the way on the sand. This should not be happening.
Okay, cut. Grace, cut it. Grace,
No.
stop. Just stop recording.
Look, see, the waves are coming way too close. Way too close.
Who cares? Who cares?
Hi, Duddy. Hi, Luke.
Cut it.
He's being so mean.
You.
Look. I'm making sure the water gets him. Cause this is crazy. Look, we did so many freaking stuff.
The waves are getting dry.
I know. Smaller.
Ugh.
So much for this grunion.
Guys,
I had hope for this grunion hunt.
well, guys, the water is not even coming.
I know, it's not coming as
closer.
close. I mean, it's pretty close. It's just not. See? This is not okay. The water is higher than it should be. It should be there. There. Do you see that? Like, and then it's coming to my feet. I don't want it on my feet. You see this? It's on my feet. This should not be okay. I'm all the way on the sand. Well. Oh my God.
Turn it off.
I'm gonna end that video like that, but if anything else happens, I'll let you know. Bye bye.